Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm taking you on a little road trip with me. We're gonna go from Page, Arizona to Sunset Crater to Hoover Dam, all on the way to Vegas. This part of the US is full of cliffs and canyons, mountainous terrain, and miles upon miles upon miles of desert. Unlike the East Coast where I'm from, here you can go on for miles without seeing another person, a car, or even a home. It really makes you realize just how big and vast this land is. Am I the only one that finds it crazy that I'm driving through a desert right now and in the distance I see snow-capped mountains? Like, how crazy is this? So here we are venturing into the Sunset Crater, I guess, National Park, and the view, the scenery, just amazing. Obviously, there's no flowing lava here. I have no idea why I asked my son if he could see lava, but obviously this is the remnants of an eruption that happened a while ago. So here is some of the debris and stone and dirt that's left behind after the eruption, and you can see how there is a lot of space where things used to be and there's no life there anymore. Oh my god, that's insane.
ये भी national park है.
From Sunset Crater, we go to Seligman, Arizona. If you guys don't know, Seligman was the city that inspired Radiator Springs in the Cars movie. One thing that we hadn't seen in our trip to Arizona that we finally got to check off the bucket list was to see tumbleweed like in the old Western movies. We literally saw loads of tumbleweed going across the road and hitting fence. The cool thing, aside from visiting the city that inspired Radiator Springs, is that we got to travel on the old Route 66, which obviously isn't used as much as the highway is now, but it was cool just for the nostalgia factor.
That's the van.
Oh, that's that one balloon. What's her name?
It's you.
So guys, standing here in Seligman, Arizona, I got inspiration for my next trip. I wonder where it's gonna be. Somewhere in Europe, the Caribbean, where else? So after a quick pit stop at Seligman, you see what I did there? Pit stop! After a quick pit stop at Seligman, we made our way towards Hoover Dam, and Hoover Dam is the largest dam in the United States. It's a beauty and it's humongous. Hoover Dam is a pretty popular tourist attraction. There's always a lot of people here because there's great views and just there's a lot of American history here as well. So it's a favorite amongst people to stop and take a look at. One of the cool things about Hoover Dam is that it straddles both Nevada and Arizona, so you can be at two places at once. Right foot, you're in Arizona, left foot, you're in Nevada, and you can also be in two different time zones at once as well.
Okay guys, everyone say hi.
So that bridge behind me, you can
Where are
also
we,
walk
guys?
along
Where is
it.
this
It's
bridge?
really nice to take pictures up there. And yeah, this was also where the Transformers
Yeah.
movie
You guys
was
like it?
shot at.
Yes.
I
Which
have no
Transformers
idea
are
how
you
people
going?
were wearing t-shirts and shorts out there today because it was freezing in the gusts. The wind was really bad. You can see that I'm in jackets. My whole family is in jackets and they are walking in shorts. Insane. So this is what the view looks like from on top of the bridge. Like I said earlier, you can walk all across it and get a bird's eye view of what Hoover Dam actually looks like. So guys, that was my quick little road trip from Page, Arizona, all the way to the Hoover Dam. Next stop is Vegas. But before we get there, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.